Hi there, I'm Dr. Brian Arslanian, a board-certified plastic surgeon here in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we are discussing a relatively new product called Kybella. Kybella is the first and only FDA-approved injectable treatment that can be used to destroy fat cells under the chin. In our age of social media, FaceTime, and selfies, we are becoming more and more aware of this problematic area. The dreaded double chin can be caused by weight gain, aging, or in many cases it can be genetic. Kybella is quick, minimal discomfort, and very little downtime. It can be administered in the office of a board-certified plastic surgeon in a matter of minutes. So that's a great question. I get this a lot from patients and even from other doctors and plastic surgeons. The answer is you could do liposuction, but Kybella and liposuction ultimately achieve the same goal of fat reduction and tightening of the skin. It's the manner in how that happens that is fantastic when it comes to Kybella. So liposuction is a surgical procedure which requires some type of anesthesia and must be done in a hospital or surgical center. It requires more time to do, and the post-operative recovery is typically more painful with more bruising and swelling than Kybella. So the Kybella patient is someone who wants to rid themselves of their double chin, but wants to come in on their lunch break to have the treatment and doesn't want to have to hide from their friends and family for the next 1 to 2 weeks. They might also not be too excited to undergo a surgical procedure with potential for scarring as well as side effects associated with anesthesia. The number of treatments can vary depending on the amount of fat you have and how spread out it is. The majority of patients will require 2 treatments. Those with minimal fat may get adequate results with 1 treatment, and some with excess fat might require 3 or 4 treatments. It's best to consult with a board-certified plastic surgeon with Kybella experience to find out what your treatment plan might look like. Well, hopefully this has answered some of the basic questions you might have about Kybella. If you want to learn more, please check out my article under the doctor's blog section on my website for additional information. Let's move on now to seeing the actual procedure and patient results.